Have you ever wondered how the sun's interior looks like? What if I told you we can reproduce a mini sun on Earth? Hi, my name is Alicia Luna and I'm going to talk about nuclear fusion.
Nuclear fusion is a nuclear reaction in which two atomic nuclei, typically deuterium and tritium, two hydrogen isotopes, join together forming a helium atom and releasing a big amount of energy.
This form of getting energy has significant benefits over the typical nuclear fission. Nuclear fusion does not produce radioactive waste, and it doesn't depend on a non-renewable source. Plus, it produces 4 times more energy than nuclear fission. So, at this point, you might be wondering, why don't we produce our energy this way? Well, I'm sorry to bring bad news, but this is all just theoretical. In reality, we haven't been able to conduct a reaction like this using less energy to provoke it than the energy released.
For this fusion to occur, the atoms must be in the fourth state of matter, plasma. Their protons and neutrons are dissociated from their electrons. In these conditions, the nuclei would collide and fusion.
The problem is the extremely high temperature that is needed to reach plasma state. There is no material that can resist it, and a huge amount of energy is required to get to it, so the reaction wouldn't be profitable. Our sun and all the stars get their energy this way, but they have a trick for this to happen. As their size is very big, just with the pressure their own mass provokes, the atoms in their interior fuse and consequently release the energy that keeps the star shining. But nuclear fusion seems too good to accept that we can't replicate it, so we just haven't. Numerous private companies and governments are investing in what is believed to be the energy of the future. The biggest international project is ITER. Its goal is to prove that nuclear fusion is possible, producing a fusion reaction that releases 10 times more energy than the amount needed to provoke it. After a huge investment, this reactor is being built in France, but a lot of work has to be done until we can make nuclear fusion a reality as a source of energy. The impact this would have on environment and social progress is immeasurable, so don't forget about this. You never know if you could be the scientist that made the existence of a mini star on Earth possible. Bye. Keep studying science.